Hey guys, welcome back with another episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. So today we'll be using Puma's suede shoe. It's a completely suede shoe. So to avoid using water and prevent any damage from happening to our dear suedes, we have none other than the SHOEGR Suede Kit. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first all you need is a soft brush. For that I'll be using the soft brush from our ultimate kit. So this is a soft brush. It has super soft bristles. So let's get on with the soft brush. So as I'm done dusting with the soft brush, now I will move on to the Suede Care Kit that comes with a special brush for suede and an eraser. The eraser we'll first use to get rid of the dark spots or stain or dirt that we were unable to get off from the soft brush. So all you have to do is just use it like an eraser. So I'll be using the brush to clean the dust from the eraser as well as the little bit of dirt left. So after using the eraser and the suede brush, as you can see, a lot of the suede has come back to life. The texture is back. So all we've used is just the suede eraser, the soft brush, and no water has been used. But to give it a complete makeover, because we worked so hard with the eraser on this, we will be cleaning the midsoles and the bow and the little fabric area that is just left with our ultimate kit solution, and I will tell you how. Little bit of water solution, 1, 2, 3 squirts. So as I'll be cleaning the midsole, so I'll go in with the medium brush. Try as much possible to stay away from the suede area while you clean the midsoles. So for that you can keep your finger like this to avoid any damage or any water stain on the suede, and just go carefully. Yeah, I think we are good on the midsoles, and there's a satin fabric here on the shoe. You can take again the microfiber cloth and just dip it in water, make it dry, just squish out all the and wipe it. And now we have the bow and it's all satin. So for that I'll be using the soft brush. Again, dip it in the solution, taking out the excess. And the suede is all safe. The midsole is clean. And now we'll move on the outsoles. For this I'm using the hard brush. So guys, I'm really happy with the result from using the suede kit, and I hope it was a very informative video for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, any doubts, let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you have any special requests, do let us know. Till then, take care, love and light to you all. See you soon. Bye bye.